which of the following is not a characteristic feature during mitosis? We know that mitosis is a process of cell division that results in two identical daughter cells, and it occurs in the following phases, that is interphase, where the cell prepares for the division by growing and replicating its DNA. Next is the prophase, where the chromosome contents, the nuclear envelope breaks down, and the spindle fibers form. Now, coming to the metaphase, here the chromosome align at the cell center, that is a metaphase plate. And next, in the anaphase, the sister chromatids are pulled apart to opposite sides of the cell. Now next, in the telophase, the chromosome decontents, the nuclear envelope reforms, and finally, by cytokinesis, the cytoplasm divides, resulting into two daughter cells. So that means option A, B, and C are incorrect answers, because the spindle fibers form during mitosis, that is the prophase stage, and this helped to separate the chromatids of the chromosome as well. So option A is incorrect. Option B, disappearance of nucleolus. So this happens during the prophase of mitosis as the cell prepares for the chromosome condensation and division. Now, chromosome movement. So chromosomes align and they get separated during the anaphase and move towards the opposite poles during mitosis, ensuring proper distribution of the genetic material to the daughter cells. So that means option A, B, and C are incorrect answers. Now coming to option D, synapsis. So synapsis is a process where the homologous chromosomes pair up during meiosis, not mitosis. So it occurs in prophase 1 of meiosis, and it is a key step in the formation of gametes, that is sex cells. So option D is the correct answer.